It was all quiet and classes as usual on the campuses of the Grossmont Union High School District today, as students wrap up the third week of a new fall semester. The district's noise and the controversy have been building in the boardroom.
We're into a tribalism where if you don't believe what I believe, that's hate. You're hate.
The Grossmont Union School Board voted 2 weeks ago to end its long-standing contract with San Diego Youth Services, which had provided licensed therapists and other services to students and their families who needed it most. The point of contention, services for LGBTQ+ students.
They're beholden to creepy agendas and things that we don't want in our schools, and I do recommend looking into other health services for our kids. Mental health is important, but what they're pushing San Diego Youth Services is not what we want in our schools.
Please keep San Diego Youth Services or something so our kids don't commit suicide, because our LGBTQ+ youth think about it 4 times more than our straight children.
For 18 years of age and younger, the #1 cause of death is suicide. It's not car accidents, it's not fentanyl, it's suicide, something that we can prevent if we get there in time and if we talk to them.
San Diego Youth Services offers mental health treatment to all communities, as required by state law. Stephen Gillet is Chief Program Officer and a licensed psychologist.
How do we continue to provide services to young people and their families in the communities of their choosing in a cultural, linguistic, as well as gender-affirming LGBTQ-related resources, if they need and are asking, way to get them on their path to full potential?
In a special meeting last night, the school board reaffirmed its decision to cancel the contract that had been in place for decades. Since school started a couple of weeks ago, the Grossmont Union District has not had a mental health provider for its students, although school counselors remain available. A transition to a new provider could take up to 2 months. The new provider is a company called Wellness Together, which is also required to abide by the same state law requiring inclusive treatment. A written statement from a district spokesman says, in part, all of our board members fully understand the importance of mental health support for our students. The district has a moral obligation to provide a safe, equitable, and high-quality education for all students. That includes every single one of our LGBTQI+ students and staff members. Steve Gillet says he hopes that is true.
Let's destigmatize services. Let's get services to all the people who need it when they need it. Let's break down barriers together.
This could be another teachable moment for students this semester. M.G. Perez, KPBS News.